Here are the top 5 hair trends you need to try in 2025. Whether you want something that's a bit more low maintenance or a bit more bold, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First up, we've got the textured crop. This one's making a huge comeback in 2025. Think short sides, longer on top, and a ton of texture. It's edgy, effortless, and works on just about anyone. Pair it with a little bit of my Tidal Wave sea salt spray for that perfect matte finish. This is something that I would say show a picture of this to your barber and make sure you tell them that you want it either shorter than this or a bit longer. But as long as it's textured in the front, you should be good to go. The next one is the modern mullet. I know you've been seeing a lot of this, but yes, it's here and cooler than ever. The 2025 version is a bit more blended and subtle, keeping a clean fade on the sides with longer layers in the back. It's perfect for anyone wanting to stand out without looking like they time traveled back to the 80s. And in this photograph, you can see this model's hair, it's not super shaved down on the sides. So you can have that look, or you can go with something like this, which is a bit softer on the sides, not so short, but it's still rocking that mullet look, and it's got a nice length on top. All right, here we go. So, soft curtain bangs. Yes, they're still going to be winning in 2025. Why? Because they frame the face perfectly, they're easy to style, and they look amazing whether your hair is long, short, straight, or wavy. Pro tip, you can use Tidal Wave to keep them very soft, light, and even somewhat fluffy. If you have wavy hair, if you have frizzy hair, you're going to have to blow dry it, and that's where my ionic blow dryer and my ceramic ionic round brush, the larger round brush, is going to come in handy. You can also pair it with my sleek smoothing and healing serum to make sure they're nice and soft and have that beautiful flow to it. Next up, we've got the classic French bob. This is all about sophistication. It's short, sleek, and has that classic I just walked off of a Paris runway vibe. Pair it with some light waves, like in this photograph here, or wear it pinned straight. Either way, you'll look like you belong in a fashion magazine. This is a statement that, I've been seeing this for many, many years, a very classic haircut. You can adjust the length. You can either have it this short, like this model has, or you can have it a bit longer. But I think the whole point of having this bob and this French bob look is that it's not super, super long. It's usually about the chin. So if you have naturally wavy hair, this will work out great. Tidal Wave would work perfectly. You could also use my sleek serum. You can, let it air dry with my, using my diffuser a little bit, then let it air dry, and you should be good to go. All right, finally, we've got the flow cut. Now, you've seen me do this a number of times, but this is something you need in 2025, especially if you are looking for that sweeping, easy, low-maintenance haircut, because the flow haircut is something that is designed for that kind of surfer, cool look. It's all about having layers in your hair, and you can utilize my Tidal Wave sea salt spray just for that added texture. It works best on, I would say, fine to thicker, perfectly pin straight hair. There you have it, the top 5 haircut trends you need to try in 2025. Let me know in the comments below if you're wearing one of these haircuts or going to get one. Don't forget, you can also get 20% off if you use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Check out my new sea salt hair powder called Beach House. It's an amazing product, and it's now available. Once again, YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.